This is our friend's boat, and she was out on a solo sail the other day and had an overheating issue. So we had a sort of a free day-ish and thought we'd come down and help out, troubleshoot the problem.
Because the boating community is awesome. I'm Taryn, this is Logan, and this is Max. Our life rarely goes as planned, and this story is no different. But we are determined to rebuild our beautiful steel boat, even stronger than she was before. And we're bringing you along with us. You might remember Chantel and her boat Blue Jersey from our last adventure before we hauled out of the water for repairs.
We're sailing my boat! Woo!
Chantel bought Blue Jersey on the same day that we bought Blue Peter 3 years ago. Not too long after purchasing, she started having issues with the engine. Logan, obviously being the mechanical wizard that he is, decided to help Chantel out.
I am just pulling off the mechanical oil gauge that we put on yesterday, and if Chantel lets me know where the lines are, I can change that fuel line.
So we headed down to Couch and Bay to take a look at what she had going on. This, like so many other cases on the water, was just a friend helping a friend, and an excuse to spend some time on a boat. The cruising and liveaboard communities are more like a small town than anything. Although we are spread over a large geographical area, the way knowledge, resources, and support are shared is like a small town. Everyone looks out for everyone, and there is always someone willing to help out when things need to get done.
This is our friend's boat, and she was out on a solo sail the other day and had an overheating issue. So we had a sort of a free day-ish and thought we'd come down and help out, troubleshoot the problem. Figure it out, I hope.
We have met people from all over the world through spending time on the docks, through our YouTube channel, and through Instagram. In fact, we met Chantel through Instagram not too long after she bought her boat. So Logan, how's this going?
Fantastic.
Oh yeah? Did you find it?
I can feel it, but I can't see it.
I borrowed Chantel's kayak and went for a paddle. So while Logan is doing the very fun job of fixing the engine, I'm gonna go bug some sea lions. But look at them, they're just big lumps. Big stinky lumps. They're hilarious. They kind of remind me of like a bigger Max when he's grumpy. They don't really want to be bothered, but you know, they're also not really bothered. It's so nice to be out on a boat, even though it's a very tiny boat. Ooh, the wind though. Gotta go. And while we were visiting Chantel, Max was off gallivanting with Marty and May and their daughter Jennifer on Wind Gypsy.
Take yourself at home.
Are you going to see Marty and May? Are you going to go for a car ride to go see Marty and May? Are you going to go for a boat ride? Oh, good boy. So excited. Remember Marty and May who traveled with us last summer and who took us out on their boat with them? They've taught us so much. Turns out they are also great dog sitters.
Look who's here, Max! Look at you! What are you doing here? I kidnapped him! I pupped up him! What are you doing here? I pupped up him! You did? Yep. From the vet. Really? Well, he had to go to the vet in the morning. Yeah? He stubbed his toe a bit, so it was a bit swollen, and he was looking at a lot.
Okay, go up and say.
Why is he here?
Okay, go up and say hi to Marty. He misses you, Marty.
What's going on? Come
He
on.
misses you. Yes, because you saw Marty and you're on Wind Gypsy. Woohoo! Yes. What a happy dog you are, Max. Where do you think Marty's gonna sit?
And the answer to that is yes, sort of. I mean, the
Get the-
mushrooms
you
do
get
a
the
really
good
nice
end.
job. But of course, there's no way you're going to replace 2 pounds of fatty beef shoulder, but get the exact same level of flavor.
He even got to go for a proper sail.
He's probably the co-pilot.
Excellent co-pilot.
Good.
Co-captain. Hello, Maxie. Stayed off.
Got the steering line. Keep going forward. Remember being here? Were you a good co-pilot, Max? Did you help Marty?
Yeah, fine.
Perfect.
Good.
We have met amazing people from all over the world while being a part of this community. Like Jack and Sonia from California, who we met in person while they were cruising in our area, but had talked to on Instagram for 2 years before we met them in real life.
We are Sonia and Jack from To the Horizon Sailing, and we started out in San Francisco Bay in California, and we are making our way north to explore the Pacific Northwest and Vancouver Island and all of these amazing little inlets up here. And after that, we will eventually sail south again towards Mexico and beyond.
Nice.
And we've been chatting with Taryn and Logan for quite some time online, and it's great to finally get to hang out in real life, because that's way more fun than just chatting online.
It is.
And we're here, so yeah, it's pretty awesome.
It is. I'm so happy this finally worked out to hang out.
We're getting used to these currents, these small fishing hooks.
Big fishing hooks.
Leaders, and
Yeah.
the Monopoly
lots of
Bunny.
The
lots of
Monopoly
new
Bunny,
things.
all over different colored money. Yeah.
It's a whole new ball game, like learning about currents and like narrow passages and all that. So we went through Dodd Narrows this morning. Was it Dodd Narrows? Yeah, Dodd Narrows this morning, and that was like the first kind of sketchy spot to go through,
Yeah, that's
which apparently isn't really that sketchy for you
No,
guys.
they tow log booms through it every day.
Yeah.
I know, we
Yeah.
saw this like whale watching like kind of skiff boat. He went through like
Blasting
3
through.
times in the time that we went through once, and I'm like, dang, like this must just be a thing. But
yeah.
for us, it's quite intimidating, but we're learning.
It was intimidating for us too, for sure. It's
Yeah.
If you
If-
time it
if
wrong,
the-
it's really intimidating. But
Yeah.
If things go wrong there, like they really go
Yeah,
wrong.
there's like
Yeah.
rocks on
Yeah.
either
Yeah.
side, not just like muddy sand.
yeah, and the current doesn't it's not like the current runs straight down the center. The current
Pushes
does
you
this
out
in
of
one
the-
direction. If you're interested in following their adventures, you can check them out at To the Horizon Sailing. That's TWO The Horizon Sailing on YouTube. After hanging out on Gemini for a bit, we went to visit with another friend who is on his way to Alaska.
Hello, how's it going?
It's to be that lug size.
They basically have to be like
Yeah.
swapped. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if you're willing to do that, that'd be
bigger one on the
amazing.
So I'm gonna make this guy same lugs but black. This guy.
Same lugs but red.
Or yes. So
Yeah, just swap the
Swapping
swap
lugs.
the lug
That's
size
Swapping
it.
lugs.
for-
Okay. Yeah, I can do that.
sweet.
I mean, this kind of.
So
What happens when you get a bunch of sailors together?
Yeah.
Boat project!
pictures. Oh, he's gonna go now.
You can watch all of Trevor's exciting adventures up in Alaska over at Sailing Sea Dream of Clyde. I asked Instagram what its favorite thing was about being part of the boating community, and the answer was pretty much the same across the board. Everyone is willing to help out everyone else and share knowledge. And having people like that in your life, especially when you depend on nature for your survival, is invaluable. We have received so much support from the boating community, whether it has been knowledge while in the boatyard or provisioning tips on the water. Being part of this community makes all the boat work worth it. Thanks so much to everyone who entered our boat naming contest. We have chosen a name and will have details for you in the near future. In the meantime, we have a few days left on our pre-sale for shirts and t-shirts, so head over there to get yours. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.